Where are we headed to?
Grandpa's boat.
Grandpa's boat. We gotta go for a long car ride, right?
Loki's coming.
Loki's coming. Who else is there already?
Daddy.
Yay.
We're there since Wednesday. And it's June.
It is June already, isn't it? Yep. Yay day today.
Is it 3? Is it 3rd?
Huh?
Is it the 3rd?
Yeah. June 3rd. Alright, well, are we ready to go get packed up and in the car?
Where are we going, Cohen? Is it Grandpa's boat? Is it really far like Niagara Falls? Yeah.
Mommy's doing all the packing?
And Loki, you're coming. He's coming. And I'll be filming. Peace out.
We're just gonna walk here.
Out. No, there.
Yeah. We're gonna walk in our little area.
What am I filming?
Okay.
I was like,
Zoey, turn off the camera.
I'm trying to film.
Well, we gotta walk the dog. And then
I'm beautiful, 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 beautiful. I flipped it over. Beautiful. What do you think? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Mommy, stop, wait. Wait. I'm running. I fixed it. Okay, I'm Zoey. Why do I keep doing this? I am Zoey. What's that for? We're going back. Going back. We're going back. Stop.
Yeah. We're where? Grandpa's boat. Uh-huh.
That one looks like that. But it kind of doesn't.
Theirs is all the way down at the end, remember?
I want to find a ball yard.
What are you doing, Mr. Cool? Pardon?
They want the black boat.
No, they're not on the black boat. What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing? Careful, don't trip over that cone.
That boat's
No, that's not the kind of boat you can sleep on.
ready?
Not yet.
I think so. I can't even tell because it's so bright.
You have to wait until I'm over before you decide to.
You don't get to dictate the terms of when you're pushed.
Captain?
Wait a second. Let me turn around. I don't know if I can turn. Don't push. I can't twist.
You probably shouldn't be doing it off the front of the boat.
Okay.
I can't twist around. I can't see where I'm jumping.
Well, it'll just be a surprise. Fall backwards.
Alright, ready, Katie?
Right. Now?
Okay. Be careful though, don't push too hard.
Push him hard.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
Push, 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 push.
There, you're down there. You're down there. Just follow Daddy.
Hold on to the side, Zoey.
Oh, that's cool.
Did you push him in, Cohen?
Yeah.
Good job.
I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna do that again.
Cole wants to do that again.
Mom, don't do that.
I can't film you?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna put that into there.
Okay. Can I push you into there?
No,
No?
that's bad.
That's bad.
Cohen.
Oh, you don't like me? Are you angry?
Cohen, man.
Come sit down, please.
Look at me. You're not gonna get eaten by a fish.
Come up here. Here
Don't
comes
worry, you're
Daddy.
not. You're not. You can stop moving.
Getting the anchor in.
Calm down.
Come sit down, please. Come on.
You're angry.
What?
There's couch over there. Why are
There's
you
a couch
so
over
angry?
here.
There's couch over there. I'm not sitting. Don't be angry.
No, no, no. You don't sit over there. You can't.
Oh, I think the angry one.
I want to get Loki in the wind.
Oh, Loki. Oh, the baby.
You are on Ah! Where are you dropping words? You guys
You're sitting there.
Ooh.
Look at the dragonfly.
Yeah, it's crazy how many dragonflies there
Yeah, they don't hurt you though. Okay. Remember that. They're good guys.
Wait.
Yeah, the dragonflies eat all the silly bugs.
They're like the
though.
guardians of the galaxy.
Yeah.
Well, you're filthy again.
I'm sour.
Where is he? He's on there.
You saw me?
Yeah.
I said in my words.
Sit still, come on.
3 words. 1.
Hold on, I'll get Loki. He's like, oh, this is the life.
Topless one.
What? It's very bright. Why don't you put your sunglasses on?
You take one.
Ooh, that's wonderful. There we go, I can see you. Woohoo, cool dude. You dancing? Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Hey ya, hey ya. Hey, where you at over there? Cool man. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? I don't know the rest of the song. Do you know the song? You sing it. Yeah. Loki. That's funny.
Pretty soon, are you getting hungry? Oh, good. We like hungry kids that like meat.
Pizza,
Look,
pizza.
Colin, look at all the birds up close.
Go over where Zoe is.
Look at all those
See
birdies.
'em. Go over to Zoe. Let's see all the birds on the trees. See 'em?
See, you'll see all the nests up there. They've got babies too.
Yeah, there's nests in there too. Look at the bird going along there.
They look weird.
Loki,
they're
where are the
funny guys,
birds,
eh?
Lokes? Where are the birds, Loki?
They go into the water.
Probably getting food, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they'd be doing, getting their food, because a lot of them would eat fish. So here, look at them. There's all flying, and they get fish for their babies too, because there's nests in there.
What did you? Let me see. Oh, there's a bulldog.
Very big boat and it has to have rules.
Sit up properly. What's the matter?
No, this is Nigel's
That was
phone.
one from before, right?
Yeah.
Get the dragonfly away.
He lent it to his friends for like ever.
Oh
He
yeah.
just got it back.
Come on, buddy.
Let me in.
I'm gonna come help you.
Dad, let me in. He's gone?
These guys are frisky.
Come on.
Dad, let me into the dragon. Help me to swim.
What?
There's no way he's going in.
Oh, it's wild. It'll be going owie, owie, owie.
I think it's
She wants
total
to get
touch.
this
Look out, Lux.
That will be.
I got you.
He cruises around and impressive.
He's grabbing onto my belly hair.
Belly hair.
I know me swim.
Good boy,
Why don't
Cole.
you touch your feet first before you get in?
Ow, the deck
your
is
bum
burning
down.
my feet. Let me sit with you.
I'm gonna hold you. I'm gonna come sit with you, okay?
Just sit down.
Ew, warm.
It's warm.
Warm? Really? Are you sure?
Really?
No, God, no. You in pain, boy?
Daddy, I want to sit down there.
Huh?
I want to sit down there.
Here, why don't you come on this side, Benzo?
No, there's a dragonfly there.
Oh, okay.
The bigger one. Daddy, I want to go. Daddy, there's a dragonfly on your feet.
Where?
Right there.
Look at him.
He's like,
Look at
whoa.
him.
How's Cohen making it?
He's dipping his toes in.
Fly on my foot.
Fly. Dragonfly.
You gonna go in? Go in?
Daddy, just. Daddy, just click him. Oh no. No.
How you making
Get out
it?
of here,
Yeah.
dragonfly. Dragonfly, go away.
Very impressive.
You're gonna have to touch him.
Dragonfly.
No! Get him away from me.
Oh, relax. So he's a dragonfly.
Get him away from me.
Is it cold, Colin?
No, it's warm.
It's warm.
I'm trying to go down there, Dad.
Warm it on there.
Daddy,
It almost sent me into
I want
shock.
to stand there.
Come down.
Dad, can you lift me? Daddy, can you
Well,
lift me?
just climb down backwards.
Oh, see?
Okay, come down first. I'm not gonna lift you down. Okay, it's recording. Hey, Zoe.
Dada.
No, it's not synced up to the phone.
Daddy,
So we'll just have to play it back afterwards.
Daddy, go underwater.
Good. In here, yeah. Let's
Yeah, it's on. I'm gonna jump in.
I'll get it from here. I'll bring it back in here.
Hey, hey. Hey. You better catch it.
Was a sleepy boy.
Daddy, I'm gonna throw it with my fake stick.
Don't hit me.
I won't. Don't worry, Mom, I won't.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
twist it. Ready?
Yeah.
I won't hit you. Ready? Sit. Oh, that
Oh,
scared me.
didn't work.
I think I have to like go like this. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Is it tied around the end again? I think it is.
Oh, here. Here we go.
Oh, where'd you go, Loki? Loki!
Here you go, Sri. All good.
Ready?
Loki!
Here, let me just let it a bit of line. You can
It sounds so bright, I have no idea if I'm filming you guys or not.
take it. What did you say? Oh,
But I can't even tell if I'm filming you or not. There you go.
Nice one.
Zoey's fishing. Daddy's barbecuing. And Cohen's on his iPad.
Yep.
Hey, Loki.
Loki came to the boat. We let him.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get a fish, but with my, here I'll show you, my fake fish. Oh! I found one. So this is my fake fish. I found a word. How did I say I found it? There's a good guy in there. There's two. No, there's three.
Well, drop your thing down and try and catch him.
I hope I caught one. I hope I did. Did I? I think this guy's gonna bite on him. Run. Oh, there's tons.
It's a good time of night for it, Zoe. You should grab a worm. Grab one of these hot dogs.
Okay, I'll.
Just try it.
Can you give me a worm?
Nice hair, dude.
This is my
Here,
fake
here.
fish. Now I'll take him off the hook.
Here we are in the harbor. We can't see what
Yeah,
I'm
I'll take them
filming
off the
because the sun is blinding me.
I'll take him off the hook.
It's a little bit hot out.
It's really hot.
See my squinty
This is
face?
my fake fish.
Daddy's a bit sunburnt.
A little bit.
Just a little.
That's a hold it. This is my fake fish.
He's cute. You should take a bite of him. Yeah, just kidding. Other fish have been mowing on that today.
Hee
Did you fall in the water today?
Yeah, Daddy was trying to push me in.
A terrible guy.
You can see inside of it. There's like nothing inside.
Ew.
Ugly.
You should be careful. Isn't there a hook in him? Oh,
No,
you don't
I took
have.
it out.
You gotta be careful with it. Here comes Mr. Loki.
I scratched his heel up. Ugh. I'm gonna
Quite
go get the
beautiful
worm
here in
bucket.
the harbor.
I'm going to get the worm bucket.
Okay.
Let's go.
Your turn, Zoe.
No.
Loki's turn.
Oh, Loki, go.
Loki looks
I'm
back to
gonna
the
get the
girl.
worm bucket, okay? And keep filming.
Okay, I'll keep filming.
All right. Here comes Suzanne.
Jump it in.
Hello.
Yeah, it's a lot warmer here.
Yeah.
Because you're only in like 5 feet, 6 feet, eh?
In the window? I can't tell. It's too dark. We were gonna cook our dinner out on the lake, but our silly dog had to go pee, so we had to come into the harbor for him. Hey, Lokes, did you have to go for a walk?
Hey, I'm a...
How's that hot dog? Delicious. Nom 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 nom. Yeah, we're in here, Zoe. You got your hot dogs in here.
Are you filming? Oh, you're filming. I was like, whoa, you're filming.
I'm a filming machine. Your hot dog is on the stove there.
Oh.
Oh, we're tilting.
What is this?
Who's dirt?
I mean, it was wet. Hello, it's a
Oh, Loki
beautiful
just
day.
went past the window again.
Mom.
How's your hot dog?
Fun.
Is it delicious?
Oh.
No, I'll leave those off, honey. We definitely don't need them. Loki! What are you doing? Loki!
I see
Did you see him? Nah. Zoey, what did I say about the lights? Turn them off.
Never.
Chew your food. Oh, there goes Loki again. Oh, there's Cohen eating his hot dog. What is it? What are you eating? Hot dog? Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. No dancing? Is that your favorite song? Yeah, I don't know why.
I just went like this. There's like a big skin here, and then I pulled it off, and I was like, oh.
Tasty, tasty.
Wait, man.
This would be Nigel Jones doing the first work he's done in probably a week.
I thought you were trying to be nice.
I want to show you something cool.
What? By filming you packing our stuff?
I want to talk to him. Love you. Get out of here.
My leg hurts.
Butthead. Streaky butthead.
Here are our children on iPads like usual. Oh no, Zoe's throwing a temper tantrum like usual.
No.
Being a little snot butt. Like she always is. She's a very sweet, kind little girl. What? It's not raining right now? Okay. We wake up on our final day and it's not very nice out.
It's so cold.
Watch out.
What's that? I don't want to miss that right now. You're not
What are you guys doing?
helping Colin walk.
You're helping Colin walk?
That's the it's again? I'm just playing Angry Birds for him. Star Wars. His like Star
Ooh,
Wars.
very nice.
Star Wars.
Star Wars Angry Birds?
Lightsaber. Oh, hello. I just back on the last one.
Hey, what's going on in there?
That
Hey, dude.
last more guy. Camera. Why without me? You're a wall spot.
Yeah, fix your hair, buddy.
You're moving.
Focus.
I film it.
Oh.
I film it. I film it. I film it.
I'm filming. Well, Loki. I'm filming Loki's nose right now.
Loki, you're filming.